Hi everybody. In this shorter video, we're going to go over prime factorization. We're going to we're just going to play with some examples and see how the process works. So let's just start with the number 6, right? So the number 6, what we want to do is we want to think what goes into 6. Well, 6 is an even number, so 2 goes into it. And the number of times that it goes into it is 3. So 6's prime factorization is just 2 times 3, right? So 2 and 3 are prime numbers. And just for review, which I should have stated earlier, prime numbers are positive integers greater than 1 so that its only factors are 1 and itself. Okay, so that's what prime numbers are. So for example, 6 is not prime because 6 is 2 times 3, right? But the number 3 is prime and 2 is prime because 3 is just 1 times 3. There are no other ways to write 3 and with positive factors, and then 2 is just 1 times 2. So we've covered what prime means, and we've done the prime factorization of a number like 6. Why don't we do a bigger number that has lots more factors, and we'll see how that process works. So let's suppose I take, let's take the number 300. So much bigger this time. So we'll take 2 out of it just like before, right? 300 is even, so we can write 2 times, and we have to think how many times does 2 go into 300? Well, 2 goes into 30 15 times, so it goes into 300 150 times. 2 goes into 150 because it's even. So again, notice I circle the primes as I go along. Okay, but 75 isn't prime because any number ending with 5, other than 5 itself, cannot be prime because 5 will go into it. So this is 5, which is prime. And it turns out this is 5 times 15. But now 15 has a 5 at the end of it, right? So 5 goes into that. So this is 5 times 3. And there we go. Now we've gotten down to the bottom where all that we have left are prime numbers. So I take note of all of these. We have 2 2's. So I'm going to write 2 squared. That means 2 times 2. And then I've got 1 3. So I could write 3 to the first if you'd like. And then I've got 2 5's. So this right here is 300's prime factorization. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll show an application of prime factorizations.